In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos and embed videos in Microsoft Sway. Creating a visually engaging Sway presentation becomes much easier when you combine images and videos. These elements help bring your content to life, making your presentation more interactive and appealing to your audience. In this guide, you'll learn how to add both photos and videos smoothly into your Sway project. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Sway, then sign in with your account. Once you're inside, either open an existing Sway or create a new one. After your project loads, you'll be working in the storyline, which is where all your content is added and arranged. To upload photos, look for the plus icon within the storyline. Click on it to open the content menu, then select the media option. From there, choose Image. You can now upload a photo directly from your computer by browsing your files and selecting the image you want to use. Once added, the image will appear as a card in your storyline. You can resize it, move it around, or combine it with text to create a more structured layout. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop images directly into your Sway, which is a quick and convenient way to add multiple photos at once. Using high-quality images can improve the overall look of your presentation and make your content more engaging. Now, to embed a video, follow a similar process. Click the plus icon again and go to the Media section, but this time choose Embed. Before doing this, make sure you have copied the video link or embed code from a supported platform, such as a video sharing website. Once you select Embed, paste the link or code into the provided field. Your video will then appear directly in your Sway as an interactive element. After adding your video, you can reposition it within the storyline to ensure it fits naturally with your content. Placing videos near relevant text or images can help improve the flow and make your presentation easier to follow. Once you've added your photos and videos, take a moment to preview your Sway. This allows you to see how everything looks together and ensures that all media elements display correctly. By combining images and videos, you can create a more dynamic and professional Sway presentation that captures attention and communicates your message effectively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.